Hello, everyone. So, cleansing your gut is the everlasting ticket to a very healthy life, and the smoothie I'll be sharing with you today will do just that for you. The first ingredient for this smoothie will be spinach or any green leafy vegetable of your choice, like kale, any other green leafy vegetable, but I go for spinach because it contains a little bit of so many vitamins and minerals. So, what you need is a handful of spinach. You want to get a handful of spinach. You want to wash thoroughly. Remember, this is cleansing and you don't want any possible pesticides in your vegetables, so you want to wash with water and vinegar. But if you don't have vinegar, you can always substitute with baking soda. So you just need to drop a little bit of vinegar in your vegetable in the water, kind of soak, so it cleanses any pesticides or preservative used in like maintaining the freshness of this vegetable. So you want to always clean, don't take chances, and leave it for like 10 minutes so it really cleanses your vegetable. So while it cleans the vegetable, the second ingredient I'll be using will be apple. Apple is alkalizing, very alkalizing, to fight diseases, cleanse your liver, cleanse your organs so they can always be in good state. Your gut needs to be cleansed, and apple with a green leafy vegetable, the spinach, will do just that for you. Once your gut is cleansed, in good state, you that is a ticket for you to always be healthy, free from sicknesses and diseases. So this is something you want to try. What you need is one apple. So I washed my apple already. If you haven't watched the video I shared on how to properly clean your fruits, ask me and I'll link you up. I always wash my fruits from the market before I store in my refrigerator, and I shared a video of how I properly clean my fruits to get any pesticides or chemicals out of them, so I don't put in those chemicals in my system. So you want to slice your apples into some good sizes that you can easily blend to come up with this cleanse. Apples are very nourishing, and doctors say one of it a day takes you away from them because it provides your body with all those nutrients and form a disease fighting barrier in your system against diseases, so you can always stay healthy. So what I want to do now is I want to take out the vinegar from my fruit. You don't want to leave it there for so long. You want to leave it for like 10 minutes, and I've rinsed the vinegar off my vegetable, and voila, that is the second ingredient. The third ingredient I'll be adding in here will be avocado, and I'll be adding one avocado. Avocado is very alkalizing as well. It nourishes your gut, nourishes your organs with all those good fatty acids to cleanse your system, and like it is so nourishing. Very perfect for this combo. So what you want to do, and avocados is one of the world's most healthiest food you want for your gut. Your gut loves it. So you want to peel the avocado, and what you need is the fruit out of it. And yeah, so just watch what I do. You don't eat the peel, but just the fruit out of the avocado. So you want to slice into some good sizes that you can easily blend so it comes out, we are really good. Avocado contains vitamin E, vitamin C, like a lot of antioxidants to fight free radical damage in the skin, causing dull skin, aging skin for a much more beautiful skin. The next ingredient I'll be adding in here will be a tiny little bit of ginger. You don't need a lot of ginger in here, just a tiny little bit for cleansing. Ginger is very good. Your liver loves it, your gut loves it. Yeah, it cleanses you. It is kind of a detox cleanse for your gut and your liver. So you need something that will help with detox, and ginger does that. All these ingredients, the green leafy vegetable, the spinach, the apple, they all help with detox. And adding in something like ginger, which helps to boost metabolism, so you can easily, like, it facilitates the detox process, like breaks down everything so it gets out from your system, so you can be clean and healthy from the inside. So this is kind of like a little inch of ginger, like a tiny, how do I, if you chop it, you can have just like a teaspoon of ginger. Let's just say a teaspoon of chopped ginger. If you want to measure, just a teaspoon of it. Yeah, so this is it. The next thing I'll be adding in here will be banana. I need the potassium from banana, and I want this banana to bring these green vegetables together, most especially the ginger. I want this banana to like neutralize that ginger in here, like to bring these three ingredient green leafy vegetables together plus the ginger. Like banana has a big role to play in here. So and it makes it to taste so yummy. Plus banana is loaded with nutrients as well to keep you so healthy as well. So you need just half a banana. You don't need a lot of it. You just want to get your half a banana, slice into some good sizes, and voila, this is it. This is my banana. I'm adding in the plate of ginger. Voila. So these are the ingredients I'll be using for today. That is my spinach. This is my one apple, handful of spinach, apple, avocado, ginger, and banana. You want to get your blender. Once you get your blender, you want to put in your ingredients in your blender. So that is my handful of spinach. I've put in my blender, my apple, my one apple. So this is for one. If you're making for two, you can double it up. But this is for one. This cleanse is just for one person. So I'm trying to put everything in here, and I want it to be really concentrated. No water. You can add in some ice blocks, like just to make it chill so it is not flat in the mouth, but not actual water. Like just blend it concentrated like this, because you don't want it neutralized. Like you want it to get into your system concentrated to really cleanse your gut, cleanse your liver, cleanse all your organs, your kidney. Like your kidney will love you for this. Your liver will love you for this. Your gut will love you for this. Like this is an organ cleanse. Like it cleanses your organs, nourishes your organs, so they can be in good state to function properly for you to live that healthy life, free of diseases, sicknesses, and always be vibrant, strong, healthy, plus good skin. Because if you are well nourished, well fed, it reflects outwardly as well. You end up with a very beautiful and healthy skin. So this is it. After you blend in, you can see the consistency. It is thick. I'm trying to like get everything together to pour in my cup, and voila, you need to drink this all at once on an empty stomach in the morning. You can just have it as breakfast. So most often all my smoothies, I have them as breakfast, so I give time for them to get into my system. Once you have it like breakfast, this is so filling. You feel like eating at 2 p.m. So it's not like you are starving yourself to cleanse. This keeps you so full. It acts as your breakfast while nourishing your system, cleansing your organs, leaving your system in that very healthy state that your organs, your gut, your liver, like everywhere is so nourished and cleansed, and you are so perfect from the inside. And that is how you live a very healthy life. You hardly fall sick, and you are always strong and vibrant. So these are my recipes I do all the time. I alternate. I have good recipes like this for different purposes. For cleansing, I have recipes for fat burning, to maintain a healthy body size. I have different recipes to nourish my system with collagen to always look youthful. Like I try to use food to maintain that healthy life with beautiful skin and everything through food, because trust me, you are what you eat. Whatever you put into your system reflects outwardly. If you eat healthy like this, you have that healthy body, you have that healthy life. But if you eat unhealthy, you equally look so big, unhealthy, with pimples, acne, because you're putting in things into your system your body doesn't like. It bulges out in the form of pimples, acne. Your skin looks so dry, not nourished. Whereas if you nourish your system with the right nutrients like this, it reflects outwardly. It reflects to give you a very beautiful, fresh skin that glows effortlessly, plus good health, which is very important. So yeah, this is what I wanted to share with you today. I hope someone finds this video helpful, and I know for sure this is a very helpful video. Share it with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.